Hi, my name's James. I'm with A+ Blinds. We are out in Pittsboro, Indiana, wrapping up a commercial project. We just installed 162-inch aluminum blinds. They are cordless. To raise them, you're just going to push them up, lower them, you'll pull them down, and then you'll have a wand to tilt the vanes. So the project has gone really well. We are wrapping it up. I'll show you a few things that we've done over the last day. That's our project for today. Looking forward to the next one. Give us a call, A+ Blinds, 317-698-5445. Be happy to take a look at your project.